Namaste children, welcome to English class. Children, in our previous class we were discussing about the exercise part of the second lesson and few mains I explained to you already and few more mains were remade. Let us go to that exercise part of the second lesson once again. Yes, in this I made two mistakes. Yesterday in my yesterday's video you can check it and you can correct them in your textbook. Sorry for that. One is Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. Here while writing I written wrong. Correct is Gandhi, okay, apostrophe yes. Check in your CW all of, textbook all of you. If it is like that, like this, it is okay. Gandhis. Okay, but yesterday I missed out while writing. I forgotten to write I. So that mistake I done. Sorry for it. Then you can correct, write it in your textbook. Then next one is here. Third one. Dash Day is celebrated on 14th November. Children's I written there. Here what I made, apostrophe I put after the S, but it is not like that. There is a rule that which are all the plural nouns, they are not ending with S. For them all we need to write apostrophe before S. Okay, children, it is not ending with S. So that is why we need to put apostrophe before S. See, like this we have to write. Okay. CHILDREN apostrophe S. It is the correct way. Okay, check it once in your textbook. If it is not like this, you make it like this. Okay. CHILDREN apostrophe S. So it is over. Then after this one, write well part. Look at this, write well. So I will read this one and we have to do this one in the CW. What to do? So somehow if you are missed your school bus, every day you just imagine that you are coming by the school bus every day to the school. One day you missed the school bus. How you feel, that you have to write. Otherwise, your teacher will be, suppose your teacher told you to bring CW, English CW to the school. Okay, unfortunately you left that notebook CW at home. When you reach the school, you remember that, oh, teacher told me to bring English CW, but I forgotten. Oh, teacher will scold now. So how your feeling will be in that situation? Okay, that you have to write here. And here they mentioned 3 clues, hints they given, 3 hints. You can look at them. What happened? What the result was? How you felt? These 3 things you have to cover up in that writing. Just 4-5 lines you write in your CW and send it to me. Okay. So if you are missed the school bus, how you will feel? That you have to write. Okay. So I hope you will write and send. Life skills it is there. 1. So if these are the points, they are very good and we must follow them, means we need to put for them right mark. If they are not good, we should not do them, means we need to put wrong mark. Clear? So 1 I will read out. See, you don't need to, it means do not need to know the emergency phone numbers for the police, fire brigade and ambulance. They are the public numbers, phone, police, then fire brigade and ambulance. Always we should know those phone numbers. Police station phone number, fire brigade phone number, ambulance. In case of any problems if we are facing, immediately we need to call to those numbers. That is why they are very important numbers. we should know always. Okay, they are the emergency numbers, phone numbers, we should know. But they given here, do not, those are not needed to us. We don't want those numbers, like that they said. So what it is? It is wrong. First one is wrong. Second, you should never open the door to strangers. Unknown person, it means you don't know who is that person. If he coming to your house and he is knocking your door, okay, he is knocking the door to open it. So what he will do? He will be directly going and opening the door? No, it is wrong. We should not open the door to the strangers. First we should know, we should see their face through the window, or there will be a small hole on the door. Through that hole we need to see their face, whether that person we know him or not. If our relative, if they come, or if our friends come, if we know those persons only, we should open the door. Unknown persons, we should not open door to them. Okay, so second one, correct it is. We should not open, you should never open the doors to the strangers. Yes, we should not open. Second one is right. Third one, switch off appliances. Appliances means it may be stove or another thing, it may be iron box switch or light switch, TV switch. These are all appliances, such as toasters, ovens, stoves, electric ovens, electric toasters, or before you unplug them. So it means we need to, whenever we are going to remove them, we are going to remove their switches or plugs we are removing. No, before removing their plugs, we need to switch off first. First we need to switch off, then we need to unplug it. Without switching off, we should not unplug them. Toaster means it will be in the bakery, they will be toasting your bread once again and giving you. Okay, that kind of things. First we should switch off, then we need to unplug. So it is correct or wrong? It is correct, because there may be we may get electric shock. So that they are giving this precaution. We should switch off the appliances, then we need to unplug them. So it is correct. Third one is correct. Fourth, you must remember your parents' phone numbers and your home address. Yes, if you missed somehow in the bus stand or somewhere, okay, if you are went to Dharmasthala along with your parent for the picnic or tour or some another purpose. So if you missed there in that, so what you will do? Then if you know your parents' phone numbers, you can ask others. I missed my parents, please, I know my parents' phone number, please call me. Like that, if you ask it to somebody, they will help you. So that always you should know your parents' phone numbers. So it is right. Last one. Everyone need not keep a basic first aid kit at home. Basic first aid kit means you know it. You are all keeping in the school, no, first aid kit in that ointment, tincture, then that cotton, scissor. So these things will be there in that first aid box. So in the time when you are getting injury or something, so we can get treatment using that first aid box. So that first aid kit should be in all the homes. So we should keep that first aid kit in our home. It is compulsory. It is for our safety, so we should keep it. So it is right. These are all correct. Okay. So these are all we need to implement in our life. Then listen carefully, it is their option. Look at it. So it is no need to take it off, because you are reading the lesson and you are doing other activities. Leave it. Then speak well option, it is there, so that you can do it. Reading and other activities you can do it. Okay, speaking means you are talking about something, about vegetables you can speak, about flowers you can speak, and with your parents also you can speak in English. Okay, not in your own language. I am telling you to speak in English. This is speaking test or speak well. That option is based on that. Okay, you can speak in English with your parents or brothers and sisters or your friends. They are all coming under this. Then after conversation practice, how to talk with others. That here is a boy and here is a man. that boy is asking something. See, look at it. Excuse me, is there a toy shop nearby? That boy is asking to this man. Then man replied, yes, there is a big store nearby. Nearby to this, there is a big store. So he said. Then what happened now? Then that boy, he asks again, can you tell me how to get there? How to go there? How to get there means nothing but how to reach that shop. Can you tell me? Then that man, he replied, go straight and turn right at the next crossing. So you go straight first, you will reach a crossing. There you turn right side. You will see the store on your right side only. Like that he replied. Then boy, thanks. What's the name of the store? Then that man replied, it's called the Toy Story. The Toy Story. Its name is the Toy Story. Okay, then boy replied again, thank you so much. Because he got that address of that toy shop. So this is the conversation between that man and that boy. So like that, so you can, one more activity they given here, have a similar conversation with your partner. You can consider your father or mother or your brother or sister as your partner. You can ask for directions to any place such as the railway station, children's park, a restaurant or a movie theater. Use these phrases. Here they given some clues also. Use them in your conversation, like that they said. You can do it. With the help of these hints, you can. So for example, you are in your home. You ask to, you tell your sister to ask you how to reach the railway station. From your home, how can you reach the railway station? Then you have to tell the route. We need to go to the Kodligi circle. After Kodligi circle, we need to take left. We need to turn left. After turning left, we need to go straight, and there will be a crossing. There we need to take left again. And if you go for a few meters, then there will be a board, Agaribomanahalli railway station. This is the way you have to tell the address or route of the place. Okay, you do it. You try it once at your home. Okay, then poem, one of the beautiful poem. It is written by famous poet Ruskin Bond. One of the Indian poet is Ruskin Bond. So make room for elephants. Okay, make room for elephants. So is it possible to keep elephants in the room? Can you guess? Just imagine it. Is it possible to keep them in the room? No, not at all possible. You know it. So they have very big body. They will be big in their size. That is why it is not possible to keep them in a room. But here it is interesting, no? This name of this poem, make room for elephants. How can we make room for the elephants? So let us go to this poem later. Then Ruskin Bond, about that person I told you, no? His picture is here. Look at it. He is the Ruskin Bond. He is the one. He is Ruskin Bond. He wrote that poem. Make room for elephants. That poem is written by this man, Ruskin Bond. Ruskin, Ruskin, Bond, Bond. Okay. About this person, here is information. You can see. He was born on May 19th, 1934. Now aged 86 years of old now. He is. Okay, where he was born? He was born in Punjab state. So during 1934, when he was born, at that time there was British rule in India. During that time, he born in Punjab state. Occupation, he is a poet, great poet. His work is writing poems. Okay, one who is writing the poems, he is called poet. Okay, one who is writing the books, he is called author. He wrote so many books also. Nationality, he is Indian. Okay, he is Indian poet. And where he studied, that is their period, it is there 1951 onwards till present, till now. Still he is busy in his writing and writing poems and writing books. and some notable works, some important books of this person are Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, that is one of the book, and A Flight of Pigeons, that is one, and one more, The Blue Umbrella. These are all the notable works of this Ruskin Bond. Okay, so look at this person, he is Ruskin Bond. Okay, then let us go to the poem now. Yeah. So once I will sing this poem, listen carefully. After singing, I will explain to you. Okay. I know the world's a crowded place, and elephants do take up space. But if it makes a difference, Lord, I would gladly share my room and board. A baby elephant would do, but if he brings his mother too, there is dad's garage he wouldn't mind. To elephants he is more than kind. But I wonder what our mom would say if the elephant's father came to stay. This poem is written by Ruskin Bond. Okay, so this is the poem here. I sang this poem once. Now I would like to explain this one to you all. Yes, now I will explain this one to you all. Now, that Ruskin Bond poet is telling that I know the world's a crowded place. Crowded means where there will be too many members together. Okay, hundreds of members where they will be together, they will be making lots of sound or noise. So that is called a crowded place. Crowded. Okay, meanings I will give you in my next class. Meanings of this lesson. I know the world's crowded place. Which is the crowded place in this world? I know it, he is saying. And elephants do take up space. And elephants do take up space. Where they have taken space, that also I know. Space is nothing but place. But if it makes a difference, oh Lord. Okay, you know that we are all living in the villages and in the town or in the city. But where elephants will be? Elephants will be living in the forest area, both. Okay, elephants will be living in the forest area. They are wild animals. They will be living in the forest only. Okay, we are human beings. We are living in cities and villages. As those animals, they are living in the forest. But if they come to village and if we go to forest, what happens? So, oh Lord, he is going to express his feeling here. But if it makes a difference, if it is different, if they are in the village and we are in the forest, what happens? Oh Lord. So, I would gladly share my room and board. So, that person, one who is saying here, he tells that I would gladly is nothing but happily. If they come to village to live, definitely I will give my room, I will share my room to that elephant. Okay, I will share my room to elephant and I will give board also. Boarding means staying. To stay in my room, I will give my room to that elephant. It means because I am very happy to invite that one to our house, invite that one to our room. So that is why I will be very happy. I gladly share my room and board. Then continues, a baby elephant would do. A small elephant, baby elephant will be small in size, it can come to our room and stay easily. But if he brings his mother too, if it is small baby, okay, that elephant can come to our house or room, it can enter the room and it can stay there because its size will be very small, it can. But if it is, when it is coming, if it brought its mother too, what happens? Possible, its mother will be very big in its size. Okay, it is one of the big elephant. If it come along with its baby, how it will be? Oh, it is not possible to enter the room because its size will be very big. There is dad's garage. Garage means garage. You are telling no garage. That is only garage. Garage means workshop. So maybe that child's father is a mechanic. He is working in a workshop. That baby is telling that, oh baby, it comes means it can come to my room and stay. If its mother also come means what I can do? There is dad's garage. He wouldn't mind. Oh, there is my father's garage is there. Shed. It means one of the big shed. In that its mother can live. My father, he wouldn't mind. He wouldn't mind. To elephants, he is more than kind. My father is one of the kind person. If elephants are coming means definitely will allow them to stay in his garage. Okay, garage or garage also we can in our local language we are calling it garage, but its pronunciation is garage. Garage. Garage means workshop. So he will allow. My father also will allow that elephant to stay here or board here. Like that she replied. Then after that, but I wonder what our mom would say. Father he will allow definitely because he has lots of concern about elephants. So he will allow elephant to stay in his garage. But my mother, what about my mother? Really, definitely she will be wonder what our mom would say. I am wonder. I too wonder about my mom's saying. What she may think and what she may tell. Okay, about this elephant, big elephant. So like that she started to think. If the elephant's father came to stay, first she said that only I will invite baby elephant to the room. Baby elephant to my room. It can come and stay in my room, she said. When it will be bringing its mother also means what happens? Okay, we can arrange place for its mother in the garage, dad's garage. Dad will allow that baby elephant's mother in the garage. Okay, he will allow that big elephant to stay there, mother elephant to stay in his garage. But if that baby elephant, if it brought its father also, it means three also. If they come, means where to arrange place for them? It can baby elephant can live in her room, bedroom, and that mother elephant can be in the dad's garage. If father elephant also, if it comes, means okay, father elephant also, if it comes, what happens? So then definitely I am wondered about that, and my mom what she will be thinking and what she will be saying. I am really worrying about that, she said. So like this way, elephants are the big animals. They will be big in their size. We cannot arrange place for them at home. Is it possible? So they cannot enter our doors, even our doors. Why means? Because of their size. So this is one of the wonderful poem, Make Room for Elephants. I will share meanings of this poem into our WhatsApp group. All of you take down in your English CW and submit your all the works through WhatsApp. Okay, because I am going to give you marks for your CW and HW. So these marks will be considered for the PT1 results. So immediately we have to write your all the works and send it to me through WhatsApp. I hope I am clear. If you have any doubts, you can call me. Take care all of you. Have a nice day.